back to my channel. I hope so you all will be doing well. Today our topic of discussion is functional English. Functional English is a vital skill that enables individuals to effectively communicate and navigate everyday situations. It encompasses practical language skills such as reading and understanding everyday text, writing clearly and concisely, speaking confidently and accurately, listen actively, and comprehending various contexts. Developing functional skills can enhance employabil- employability and career prospects, improve communication in personal and professional settings, increase access to information and knowledge, boost confidence and independence, facilitate social integration and community engagement. Functional English refers to the practical use of English language skills in everyday life, focusing on effective communication in real life situations. Functional English emphasizes practical language skills, personal and professional purposes, social interaction and community engagement, accessing information and services, navigation, everyday situation. It's a vital skill for effective communication, independence, and success in various aspects of life. The benefits of functional English includes improved employability and career advancement, enhanced communication in personal and professional settings, increased access to information and knowledge, greater independence and self-reliance, better understanding of everyday text, instructions and media, effective participation in social and community activities, improve academic performance and educational opportunities, enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills, increase confidence in communication and expression, broader social and cultural understanding. Then greater access to services resources including government and healthcare, enhanced ability to understand and engage with media, for example news, entertainment, improved ability to write effectively for various purposes, greater overall proficiency in English language skills. By acquiring functional English skills, individuals can unlock various opportunities and improve their overall quality of life. Building a strong vocabulary. Why building a strong vocabulary is important in functional English? It is important for several reasons. First of all, effective communication. Second one is improved understanding. Third one is enhancing writing skills. Fourth one is better reading. Fifth one is increases confidence. Sixth one is expanded knowledge. Seventh one is improved critical thinking. Eighth one is enhanced career opportunities. And ninth, improved expression of ideas. Tenth one is lifelong learning. And by prioritizing vocabulary development, individuals can enhance their communication skill, expand their knowledge, and achieve greater success in various aspects of life. Some strategies of expanding vocabulary include reading widely. Why we read widely? Expose yourself to various texts such as fictional and non-fictional. What is fictional and non-fictional? Fictional means things which are beyond the reality, and non-fictional things are expressed in reality and which occurs in our daily life. Newspaper and magazines. Keep a vocabulary notebook, record new words and their meanings to review and practice. Use flashcards. Create physical or digital flashcards to aid in the memorization. Fourth one is learn prefixes, suffix, and roots. Many words share common prefixes, suffix, and roots. Understanding these can help decode unfamiliar words. Fifth one is practicing active recall. Quiz yourself or use online resources to test yourself or your knowledge. Sixth one is learn from context. Try to understand words by their context in sentence or passage. Seventh one is play word games. Engage in games like Boggle or crossword puzzles. Eighth one is use mnemonics, create, associate, or memorize memories to help remember words. Ninth is use learn from music and media. Pay attention to lyrics, movie language, and TV shows. Tenth one is join a book club or discussion group. Engage in conversation about text to learn new words. Use online resources, websites like many links are available in the social media platforms such as YouTube, Insta. Read out loud. Pronounce words correctly to reinforce learning. Learn synonyms and antonyms. What are synonyms? Meanings similar in meanings, and antonyms opposite meanings. Expand your vocabulary by exploring words relationship. Use vocabulary apps available in social media platforms. You can search about vocabulary apps and you can find it there. Practice writing and speaking. Use new words in your writing and conversation to reinforce learning. Remember, consistency, practice, and exposure to new words are key to expanding our vocabulary. I think sense of confidence when you express yourself and grasp conversation effectively, you feel more confident socially and professionally. Functional English reduces uncertainty and dependence in interactions, personal growth. Communication drives human connection, and functional English skills helps you connect. And by effective communication, a robust vocabulary enables clear and precise expression of thoughts and ideas, improve understanding, familiarity with a wide range of the words, enhance comprehension of text, speech, and conversation, enhance writing skills. A strong vocabulary allows writers to convey complex ideas and emotion with precision and nuance. Fourth one is better reading comprehension and recognizing diverse range of words facilitate understanding and interpretation of text. Increase confidence. Possessing a strong vocabulary boosts self-assurance in communication and expression. Expanded knowledge. Learning new words exposes individuals to new concepts, idea, and preciseness. I hope these slides will be helpful in your daily life and you will find that how function English improves your daily life activities and help you build a strong vocabulary and help you to build a confidence. That's all. Thank you for your precious time. If you like my video then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.